Welcome to Ukulele Wales. I'm Rachel Webley and I'm a music teacher in a secondary school in South Wales. We started a ukulele club called the Ukulaliens back in 2017, and then I began making ukulele play-along videos to help the children learn. If you haven't already been there, check out our Ukulaliens channel. There's a link for it up in the header. Okay, so why Ukulele Wales? Well, I've had a few requests to make tutorials to go along with the ukulele play-along videos, and I want to keep that channel just for those. It makes life a lot easier in school. So what's going to be on the Ukulele Wales? Well, we're going to have the tutorial videos to go along with the play-alongs, but there's going to be so much more information. I'm a ukulele addict, I admit, and I also have UAS. And so there's going to be information about buying ukuleles, storing your ukuleles, obviously playing your ukuleles, basic lessons and so on. I also want to be able to help other school teachers who might be interested in setting up their own ukulele clubs. Okay, so if you need any more information, please check out my website, ukulele.wales. Loads of information on there, and I'll be regularly uploading videos to this channel as well. Okay, please subscribe, and remember, have fun with your ukulele.